They actually look so fucking good, dude.
Is that a Supra?
Boom, it's installed. Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Ian Duffy. For those of you guys who don't know, if you couldn't tell by today's title, honestly, I'm literally in the middle of editing this and I have no idea what I'm gonna title it, but give you guys a breakdown for today's vlog. We painted the wheels on my car, then we went to a car show. I installed a cold air intake on the Volvo, and pretty sure that's all we did. That's what you guys are gonna see in today's video. This vlog, it is gonna be pretty much completely just car shit. So if you're not interested, I'm sorry guys, but you should still check it out. Maybe you'll learn something new and see something cool. With all that being said, let's get straight into the video. So normally I do actually wash my car by hand, but this time I'm under a time restraint, so I'm gonna try the automatic washer at the car wash I go to. I've never used it before. Damn, you guys can barely see me. Yeah, I've never used it before. Hopefully it's good. I'm gonna get the best one that they offer, so hopefully it is good. And yeah, then we can get to Jaden's. Overall, it really didn't do that bad of a job. It doesn't have a dryer though, so I still have to fucking hand dry my car. It was worth it under a time restraint kind of, but not really. So I'm gonna go clean my car now with microfiber cloths, bro. Fucking hell. Alright, yeah. We literally have everything we need, so we're gonna prop the car up on the jack, put on a spare so we can do 2 tires at once. Bro, I cannot explain the trouble we just went through for the past 4 hours. Alright, so the lug nuts are way too tight. We go and buy a wrench. We go buy a fucking socket. Brakes. Then we go to Home Depot. They don't have anything that's even affordable at all, bro. I buy some shit, it doesn't fit. Okay, so then I go and return it, and finally, bro, Jaden's grandfather came in so clutch with a fucking wrench and then like a big ass pipe for leverage, and it worked. Finally gonna be able to get started on this shit, bro. Gotta take the fucking wheels off, sand them down, and clean them. You know the vibe. Alright, so we just cleaned the inside of the tires. As you can see, Jaden's getting the soap off of them, and then we're gonna sand it down. When you guys do this, make sure you prep really well. It's like the biggest thing. We got a spare on the back, so we can do 2 at a time. Okay, so we have these sanded down completely. Like, we took quite a while doing this, and then little swatches around. And dude, I'm so excited, bro. Aiden's just shaking that shit up right now, and then we'll put on the first light coat. Last time I used spray paint, I think someone's house got. Yeah, for a first coat, that's fine. Alright guys, so as you can see, these got absolutely destroyed. We do have to reuse them. They actually look so fucking good, dude. I did not expect them to turn out this well at all. I'm gonna put them back on the car and do the same thing for the other side. There's no point in really recording the other side. You guys know how it goes down. I did put 2 clear coats on this, and a shit ton of spray paint. Like, I really did make sure that this was all good. So yeah guys, I'll keep you updated. Like, I'll do an update video in a few months on how these last, if this is a good idea to do or not. Alright guys, I know it's been a while since I've recorded, but I'm about to go to the Carlisle. Dude, I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's a car show up in Pennsylvania. It's Volvo's anniversary year. I figured why not go, probably see some really cool stuff, and that'd be a nice way to finish off the vlog for you guys. I also wanted to show you guys what the wheels have looked like. It's been about 3 weeks-ish, maybe more, maybe less. I've washed the car a ton. Oh yeah, also my hair is silver, but I've washed the car a ton. I just wanted to show you that doing this method works. Putting a lot of soap and pressure wash on these, and I know the fitment's whack, but I'll actually be fixing it up pretty soon. So yeah guys, we're gonna stop at a Sheet somewhere for breakfast. I'm gonna get on the road and I'll see you guys there. We're finally here. We're stuck in traffic right now. In reality, like, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Pretty excited. I've seen some pretty cool cars already just driving here, so but I'm pretty excited. I gotta find parking and then I like talk to you guys more and show you guys more shit. Dude, some of the cars here are actually so pretty. Like, I'll try to record as many as I can. Like, literally look at this Corvette. Bro, it goes from like an olive green to a midnight purple almost. It's actually really cool. I've never seen a vet wrap like this. It looks so good, dude. These cars are all in such amazing condition. I just don't know how someone can like park for this long in this condition. Like, it actually blows my mind. And this Z is so pretty as well. Normally I don't like when headlights are messed with color-wise, but this actually looks so good, dude. Holy shit. A Mazda Formula car? This shit is sick. Look at the tires, bro. Oh my god, and the wheels. The wheels actually look sick. Cute little FRS. This thing's clean as fuck. The turbo is so fat. Oh my god. I know a lot of people that watch this video might get mad at seeing something like this, but I've never seen one like this. It's actually pretty unique in my opinion.
Is that a Supra?
No, This is actually probably the cleanest one I've ever seen though. I've seen a lot of them and none of them are ever, actually this one's clean as fuck too. Both of them are, honestly. It's pretty sick. This thing is slammed on its nuts. Hold on. That's ridiculous. It's obviously on bags, but holy shit. Yeah, this actually is such a pretty color. This thing looks gorgeous. I've actually never seen this color like in person on anything. This looks sick. This RX-7's clean as well. Not really a big Mazda person, but this is definitely clean. I love like little red accents on it too. It's really nice. And then you got the Volvos. Look at it. Dude, these things actually were fucking bricks back in the day. No joke, dude. Oh my god. Dude, look inside of there. Holy shit. But that's actually cool as shit, dude. That's actually so cool. And one of the only other S60 builds in like the tri-state fucking area for me. Dude, this shit is clean. It's got the wing on it. I actually think that looks pretty good because it's not overdone. That's slow R. I actually talked to him quite a bit on Instagram. He seems pretty fucking cool. Yeah, I mean, his car looks even more gorgeous like in person. Over with the pop-up headlights. Dude, I don't know how I missed this beast. Oh my god. Holy shit, boys. This thing's so... Dude, this is literally not from this world. It's actually nuts. The Slam truck, though. Look at his fitment. Oh my god. This thing's actually like... Honestly, I wonder what it's like riding in this. Probably the most like out of like world experience ever riding in this thing, dude. Bro, so many Volvos. I actually love this shit. Dude, I'm telling you, some of the cars here are nuts. Little Volvo. I'm actually so glad I came here. It's giving me like so many ideas on what to do to my car. It's really cool seeing all this shit. Like eventually I want to put my car over here. You know what I mean? Like it's nuts. Bro, it makes me so happy seeing this. Like literally when I eventually buy a BRZ, I'm gonna be building it for like performance. And this is nuts, bro. Look at the fucking turbo. It's actually crazy. These things like people a lot of times do it for cosmetics, but they could fucking shred, man. There's so much out for them. This metallic white, I was thinking about getting my car wrapped in that same color. Probably not anymore, but yeah, dude. Holy fucking shit. Dude, the slingshot? Let's go, bud. Dude, this is crazy, dude. Got the fat ass wing on it. Oh my god. Dude, I didn't even know like people did this with these. Bro, this accent for the engine bay, like it's kind of like a turquoise actually. It's so pretty with this silver. I mean, that's one way to keep the hood up, I guess, right? Dude, that old lady was like freaking out over it. Massive air. Here's where I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna leave the old air filter box in there because ECU is also right here. I don't feel like trying to move all of that, so honestly this is probably just the easiest way to do this. Should fit and sit about right here, so lots of cool air. Even today where it's like 90 degrees outside, still feels really cool and nice over here compared to right in front of the engine. Alright, so the air filter I went with actually wasn't K&N because the Advanced Auto Parts didn't have any of their stuff, so I went with Spectre Performance. I did buy a little bit of extra stuff just in case I needed it. This is the air filter I'm using. I already have installed the sensor mount inside of the filter. It's right there. Just to make things easier for when I inevitably did this. I think I bought too many of the coupler kits, but that's okay. I mean, pretty cheap. They didn't have a lot, and if I needed more than I actually need, well, I can go return it. It's not a big of a deal. Have some wrenches and some just tools over here to help do this. pretty much what we're going to be doing is removing this mass airflow sensor right here and putting it on this new sensor mount. We may or may not have to remove this piece of the pipe. Hopefully we don't, because then I can go return some more shit, you know, make it easier on me. But yeah, we will have to snip a few of these zip ties just so we can kind of move these wires around, possibly. Definitely the one for the mass airflow sensor, but not sure about any of the other ones right now. But yeah, I'm gonna start on my camera and just kind of get to work. So this is a T5. All I did, push this little clip down. That's how it was, push the clip down, pull it right off. Comes off pretty easily. Then we gotta unscrew this. So I actually was able to get the top screw off really easily, of course, but the bottom one down there is kind of being a bitch. Finally got this other screw out. Dude, this was such a bitch to get off. Holy shit, dog. The bottom screw is just so annoying. If you have like semi-big hands at all, I definitely would ask someone else to do it. The process of trying to get one of these on is like the equivalent of trying to get all four corners of the bed sheet on, dude. It's nice that it's so tight, because like obviously you don't want it to be moving or anything, but holy shit, man, like I can barely get around the fucking pipes, dude. Holy shit. This is honestly super easy. It's just taking a little longer than I would have liked. All right, so I just want to let you guys know that if you do plan on leaving your stock box in with the air filter and the ECU, obviously if you don't get a Vivo Performance air cooler, which actually comes with like a kit to move all of this and shit, then you will have issues getting a pipe connected to this. The stock like coupler, we're actually gonna need over here because it will have to bend out a little bit. I thought I could cut it closer over here. Turns out I sadly cannot, but that's okay, obviously. I think that means I'll be able to return both the couplers over there and over there, like $25 or whatever. But yeah, this was a bitch to get on. We finally did get it on though, so that's really hype. And now we are going to see what this is gonna look like. I think that's actually perfect. I don't think I'm gonna need the long boy piece either. So this actually looks pretty good, guys. Gonna finish installing this and I'll show you guys the done product. By the way, this air filter is already oiled up, and if I ever need to clean it, Vector Performance, they do sell get to clean it, so that's always hype. But yeah, I figured I'd let you guys know in case any of you were curious. So just found out the adapter piece actually doesn't fit. I mean, I'll definitely try one more time, but it definitely does not fit. I guess I can return that too. Extra money, right? Boom, it's installed. I made sure that the bolts are on there pretty good and not too tight, otherwise it'd be pretty bad. But yeah, they're all on there tight. It's all good. It does sag a little, but there are bolts under it pretty close that actually cause it not to sag too much. All I did was plug in the airflow sensor again and clip this wire back on this little harness or whatever, because I mean, why not? It's not gonna hurt anything. So I didn't need two of the pipes, including the adapter and the long straight boy, and I didn't need two of the couplers, so that'll save me like 40 or 50 bucks, guys. Pretty easy to install. I need to cover this up, that way water doesn't get in it, because the ECU isn't really that waterproof. I mean, it would survive like probably like a rain or 3. Get some like tape or something ghetto, honestly, to just cover that up. Yeah, I'm gonna clean all this shit up. The rev was pretty good, actually, like better than I thought it was gonna be. I want to get a clip soon of it like under load, like me actually like flooring it and shit, but I did just get a new belt and I'm trying not to completely destroy my car yet, you know, and not like push it too hard. And I'll get that clip soon. Guys, that is gonna be all for today's vlog. I, for whatever reason, did a shitty intro and didn't record an outro. So with all of that being said, if you made it to the end, you are an absolutely fantastic human being and I love you. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload from now on. Gonna try to upload a lot more now that school's over. Already started my next vlog, and make sure you guys use code Duffy on our popcorn purchases, code FUN on our G Fuel purchases, and I will see you all next time. Peace out, guys.